So just a little quick video this morning that I'm going to post. I've got 2 Lands hives just for storage in my shop. And I noticed a few bees flying around the entrance yesterday. I come out this morning and there's even more bees flying. And so when I open the top of the box up, there's a swarm that moved in. So anyway, I'll be putting some frames in this box with some starter strips, and then ultimately moving it to a new location at some point. So anyway, y'all have a great day. God bless, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.